let's talk about manufacturing professionals, okay? Whoever working in the manufacturing industry. Uh, for professionals in manufacturing, especially operational excellence and lean management, they find it a little challenging to stay updated with the technological advancement, which is happening every day now, right?
Mm.
So, what would be your guidance if a manufacturing professional come to you to seek a balance between the foundational lean methodologies? However, even in lean methodologies, do you think that there are AI capabilities evolving?
Of course, of course. People who come to me saying, "Oh, I have a problem." It's good. First question is, what is your problem?
Mm-hmm.
Usually, it's always the same: cost, value, time.
Time, right?
He either wants to reduce his cost because he's too expensive, he's been told. He wants to improve his value because he's been told his quality is not good enough, or he's been told it takes too long to make a simple product. So these are the
Right.
three simple things. It's always the same, always. So how do you reduce cost? Ask him, how is your cost build up? It's
Mm-hmm.
usually a cost model. He goes, what is a cost model? Because how do you base your price on what you're selling? If you're selling this cup for €1 or $1, how did you come to this $1? He'll start to ask more questions. Second is the value part. I said to him, you want to improve your quality? Correct. What's going wrong? Why? Where? Give me some numbers. The minute you have some numbers, you can use AI in that instance to do a heat map. You ask
Mm-hmm.
AI, listen, AI, I've got 1,000 variables and these are the quality results I get. Tell me what to do to improve it. You can do that. It's called a heat map. And you get a
Right.
huge screen dump of colors of red, blue, and white.
Mm-hmm.
Red meaning is correlated, blue meaning is not correlated. That means one goes up, one goes down. White means it has no value whatsoever.
Mm-hmm.
I mentioned this about half an hour ago. Correct? The third one is over time. Time is easy. You look at a value stream. If your value stream is, let's say, if your customer says, I want something today, and you deliver the products in 12 weeks, for example, ask yourself, why did it take 12 weeks? Because if you add up everything, it should only take 8 hours. So
Mm-hmm.
where did the 12 weeks go? When it only takes 8 hours, it takes 2 minutes here, 3 minutes there, 10 minutes here, 1 hour here, 1 day there. Where did the 12 weeks go?
Mm-hmm.
It's called value stream mapping. So these are the 3 points I've explained to you very clearly. Anybody who comes to me, these are the 3 things they want to know and 3 things they want to solve. Very easy to solve. You can use AI to help. Once you have the data, hey, Mr. AI, can you help me see what's going on? In fact,
Mm-hmm.
you can see it yourself. Yeah.